Hi everyone, welcome back to Fit and Flavorful. I have a very interesting recipe to share with you today and we will call it Moringa Dal Tadka. I have already a video highlighting not just 1, 2, 3 and 4 but a total of 5 benefits of moringa leaves. So be sure to check that out. Okay, you'll need some fresh and green moringa leaves and some Toor Dal, also known as Arhar Dal. Everyone in my family loved it. So let's get to work. Let's just wash the dal thoroughly to remove any impurities and add some water. We'll add some salt, some turmeric powder here and 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee. Adjust to your liking. And it's ready to whistle away. Let it boil now. Meanwhile, let's prepare the leaves. Add some mustard oil. We'll put some mustard seeds in it and let them crackle. And now add some cumin seeds to it. Add some dried chilies here. Once seeds are roasted, add finely chopped onions and saute until they turn translucent. Then add some minced garlic. If you don't prefer onions and garlic, feel free to skip them. It still tastes great. Now add some green chilies. And now tomatoes turn. So chop them finely and add them to onions. Let them cook down a bit and add some coriander powder to them. Let the spices be done and add the fresh green moringa leaves. Aren't they beautiful? Also wash them properly before adding them and there's no need to chop them because they are already quite small. Saute for next 2-3 minutes until they start wilting. It was easy, right? Okay, now let's check up on the dal. This seems to be done. Let's add the dal to leaf mixture we have prepared. Just let it boil for a couple of minutes and you're done here. Serve this super nutritious dal with chapati or rice, whatever you prefer. I had it with rice and everyone in my family loved it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends and I'll see you in the next one.